A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So today for Trade Ideas Educator itself, we are looking at New Zealand dollar. Let's dive right in, shall we? For New Zealand dollar itself, what we can observe over here, market has went up. It has traced down a bit, but I do believe that it is a very bullish signal itself. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so over here what we can observe is that market came down, went back up, came down again, went back up and retest. There are a few criteria for this trade itself. Is that seems like my comb is a bit hang over here, but let me just walk you through at this portion and you have to listen carefully. First up, the market, it shouldn't break above and close above 0.7216. So if you see this candle went up and if the candle closed above, then this trade will be invalid. What I'm looking for is for the market to hit all the way down to this support level over here. Once again, it shouldn't break below and close below the low price on the left over here where my cursor is. That is very important. So dear traders, have you found out which kind of setup is this I'm going to share with you? Any idea yet? So let me just do a Fibonacci retracement and see what we got over here, shall we? From low to high, when we plot out the Fibonacci retracement, we see that there's a Fibonacci retracement at 50%, giving you 0.7200, and that in line match up a inverse head and shoulder formation over here. Market came down, went back up to this level, and came all the way down again. It retraces higher over here. Okay, and right now what I'm waiting for is for it to retrace all the way back to this level over here. Alright, 7200, at least it have to touch this level. Then once it touches this level, I will be waiting for a long opportunity, putting my stop loss 32 pips below the low. Okay, so let me just plot that out for you. So 32 pips below the low, that will bring us to 7128. 7168. All right. This will be the stop loss. Let me just change the color. All right. So this is the initial stop loss, and the target one will be the neckline of this market movement itself. It really depends how the candle closes. If this candle closes here and came all the way down, then this will be the target one. If not, I'll be using this price as you can see over here. Alright, so this will be the price I'm looking at as target one. And because I have shifted the rectangle a bit further up than to decrease it, we all know that minimally by hitting target one, it have a more than 1:1 reward is to ratio profile should this trade is taken up. So to me, it's a pretty good trade. And typically a head and shoulder formation will complete having the equal distance over here, and allow me to do a Fibonacci extension on this. Alright, Alright, so the interesting part is that if we use this price as an assumption that the market has hit this price, okay, let's see where it goes. That means it touches this price over here at 7260. Alright, so we can see that this is the region and this is the range. We are looking at the market completion. 7288 will be both the Fibonacci extension as well as the range 7295 as the completion of the entire move. So most importantly, what we do is we look left to look for the previous structure, and if we plot up previous structure, we will observe that 7288 is a much important level if we have to choose between the two levels. Okay, of course some traders will say, oh, I want a further level because I will have more profit itself. But trading is not so much about you really. It is more towards where the market is showing the actual structure itself. Alright, which is more important. That's my take. Alright, so I'll be taking this as the final take profit level. I want to exit slightly earlier, so 7284 will be the price I am looking at. Okay, will be the price we are looking at for the final take profit level. That's all I have for you today for Trade Ideas Educator. If you love a video like this, do remember to subscribe to us for just $100 a month. And if you can't decide which of the three which of the three trade ideas you should be taking up, all three services for just $200. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Remember always, plan your trade and trade your plan. I'll see you soon.